guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be showing you how to make a Zoom account and all the features. So I'm just going to be walking through all the steps that you need to do before you start with your online class or communication. So first of all, I'm just saying that I have already made a video of showing you how to download the Zoom app. So if you want to see that, press the I on the top right corner right now, or just go into the description and click the link. So let's start. So first, after you have installed the Zoom app, press sign in. Just press the application and press sign in. And then what you need to do is press sign up free. But last time I told sign in with Google, but that's only for if you're in a rush. So first, when you press that, you will be reached to any of your default browser, and it'll be asking you for verification. Please confirm your date of birth. So you can just put your date of birth. This is for that they can know that we are like small or in a older aged. But you can just put any date of birth, or you can put your right date of birth. But according to my knowledge, I think that we're not supposed to make an account if we're not older than 18. So I'm going to be entering my parents' date of birth. Now I have written the date of birth. Now just press continue. And then you can enter your email address. You can just enter your email address. So I'll be blurring this moment too. Okay, now it'll be saying we've sent an email to ____ at gmail.com. Click the confirmation link in that email to begin using Zoom. So do whatever it says. So go to your Gmail, sign into your account, and check for the mail that is sent by zoom.us. So here I have opened the Gmail account, and this is what I found as a message. So what you need to do is just press activate account. So it will be directed to another tab, and it will say, are you signing up on behalf of a school? So if you press yes, it means that you're using this for online classes. And if you press no, it means that you are doing this just for communication. So if you guys want a detailed review and walkthrough about behalf of a school, comment down below. So now I'm going to be just talking about communication. Just press whatever you want and press continue. And then what you need to do. Okay, so what you need to do here is enter your first name, enter your last name, and enter your password. So you can enter your first name. I'm just going to blur this for a sec. Now put put whatever password you want. I'm just going to put what I know. So like you have to press it and enter the password what you have entered before. Like enter whatever password is over here. Oopsie, that's not what I wanted. Okay, and boom. And sometimes when you copy paste, it won't work. So just enter what you have memorized. Okay, so in some cases it might ask you to enter your last name. Sometimes it won't ask, but sometimes it would. So if it asked you, then just enter your last name. It's not much of a big deal when you just enter any name. It won't ask you any wrong. Then here, you'll go to the next URL. It'll be asking, don't Zoom alone. Invite your collages to create their own free Zoom account today. So what it means is that if your friends or if your family, anyone knows about the Zoom app and if they have an account, just enter the email address. So they'll be invited and they'll be sent an invitation to be friends with you. So I'm just gonna enter a few emails. Okay. Oopsie. Okay. And make sure that the email IDs are valid, or it might ask you about why is it may ask you to enter another email. So then you have to press I'm not a robot, and if you want you can press invite or just press skip this step. But since I added a Gmail already, I'm just gonna press invite. And if you did press invite, it might tell you start your test meeting, and this is just gonna be your personal meeting URL, and it will be two buttons that says start meeting now and go to my account. So if you want to start a meeting now, just press that, or just press my account. And here you'll be directed to your account settings. So here you will have your first name, last name, whatever, and you'll be having a place where you can change your profile. You can change your profile if you want. I'm just gonna have a sec. Okay, so I have added my YouTube logo. If you guys have seen this, just and then press save. So you have your profile and your name. And then you will have some of your personal details that is going to be covered with stars so no one can see it. And yeah, so this is all about doing in really advanced settings, changing and all. And there's even one thing where you can upgrade your account, but I don't want it right now. It's just gonna be basic. I'm not gonna be doing anything too much. So after you have created your account, you can just go. You can close this tab if you want, or just minimize. I'm just gonna minimize it. And then go to your Zoom Cloud meetings and enter the email and password. I'm gonna have a sec here. Okay, now the password. Okay, boom, boom, and boom. Okay, so I have entered the password and Gmail, and then if you want, you can press keep me signed in, or you can just not do it. But I'm gonna press keep me signed in. So you don't need to keep on entering the email and password every time you open the Zoom application. And then press sign in. So guys, and about this, here what it does is that new meeting. So if you press a new meeting, you will be able to see yourself. And if you want to invite someone, you can press participants invite, and if you have contacts, you can just press any contact. But if you don't, just press copy invitation, and just send it to someone that you know, like whoever you want to invite. Just send that invitation, and they can join your meeting. So I'm just gonna be keeping all of the detailed stuff aside, and we can go to another thing. So here we have join. So if you press join, they can enter the meeting ID, and they can press join. So what if I just press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Just press join. Oh, 1 second, guys. So what if you press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0? Just press join. And you will have to enter the meeting password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press join meeting. And you'll be into the meeting. Yeah. So next I'm going to tell is about schedule. So if you press schedule, you can write topic, you can enter the date, you can enter the time, and do all those customizing stuff. So here we have the contacts. Here, well, it's not contacts, but like a chat that you can, use to chat with your contacts. Then we have meetings. Here we can see our scheduled meetings. And then we have contacts. So this is where you can like manage your contacts. And yeah, that's basically it. And this is the settings, like a basic settings. So here we have settings. We have a status. We have a status message. And we have a ton of other stuff. Like my profile, try top features, help, check for updates, switch to Potter view, switch account, and sign out. So now I'm going to be showing you this switch to Potter view feature. It's actually like your desktop view has turned into mobile view, but not fully. Like this. If you want, you can change it to landscape view by clicking your profile and pressing switch to landscape view. So guys, that's all it for today's video. If you guys want to learn more, if you guys feel like this is a short video, comment down below so I'll make a part 2. And yeah, since there will be shout out in every end of this video, let's do it. So guys, since there is no shout out for today, like I'm looking on the phone, this is my last video. Let's see, there's no comments. No one put hashtag like a squad. So I feel like there will be some people who want to shout out in the next video. So if you want to shout out, comment down below hashtag like a squad, so it'll be featured in the next video. And if you want to have more, more detailed review of like a license plan, comment down below. And make sure to click that subscribe button and click the bell so you'll never miss another video. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.